So today I'm going to be tidying up the storage room that's been in my basement in a mess for quite a while. So as you can see, there's just junk everywhere, including a piano that my daughter no longer plays. I will be moving some of my old broken type brittle boxes here into these type of solutions called Ezy Solutions. I find them, so I just went and bought a couple of brand new ones from Bunnings. I find them to be very sturdy. Like these ones here I bought from either Kmart or the Reject Shop, and what you tend to find is that the plastic after a while just becomes brittle and it breaks, so anything else that's stacked on top of it just cracks. So the whole point of me doing this is so that eventually if I ever move, I can just pick up and go, and also saves all the dust. So this is from our post renovation. I've never really cleaned it, just been too busy with the other parts of the house. I will start by fixing all of this and turning it into something hopefully amazing. Hey everyone, so I've just finished the storage room downstairs. It took quite a while. It was a longer task than I expected, only because when I moved about 8 years ago, we kept some of my son's stuff in a box. They were completely crusty and moldy, which was disgusting. But throughout the renovation, there was no point opening things, and I didn't think actually it would get to that stage. But now I've organised everything, and I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So it's nice, much more spacious, and I'd love to hear maybe some tips on luggage, how you store your luggage, because this is how I stored mine. Okay, so this is now the final result. Lot better than what it used to look like. So I've now streamlined everything. So this room is just basically stuff that I haven't got around to packing up completely in the past, or hanging things on the wall. So this is like our darts board, but also things that my kids have now grown up. Having two teenagers, they're really not interested in playing with balls and guns. But I've got lots of nephews and nieces, so when they come over, they have an opportunity to play with toys because I don't want the house to be too boring. So this was the storage that I was talking about. This is from a company called Ezy Storage Solutions, and I got them from Bunnings. I like the 100 litre if you have the space, because you can fit so much more, and they've got little different compartments. So what I did, just quickly show you, was I bought two of the storage compartments here. And I'll just quickly show you. So as you can see, it's like another container within the actual container itself. It's more of just compartmentalization. So it just allows me to sort everything really quickly and neatly without compromising all the space in the container. What I will be doing is getting some labels made up and removing these labels off, which I'll show you. And I'll most likely get them from a label making company. So there's a couple of companies out there. There's the Little Label Co. and there's Pretty Little Designs, and I'm sure there's a few other different ones. So I'm just going to get those made up to suit and then stick them on there and we're all set to go. So another thing that's really cool, and I had some leftovers, these shoe storage boxes. Now I got these imported a few years ago from a company in the US called Crate and Barrel, and they're really good because they're super sturdy and they come in two different sizes. So I've got these ones here which are left over from my wardrobe, because now that we've done the wardrobe renovation, I don't really need them and they're excess. But at the same time, I don't want to get rid of them either. Just in case, again, I move. I do tend to move around a lot because I love renovating the building. So these will come in handy. The second size is designed, it's probably about up to here, if you can see it. Second size will be for boots and larger type sneakers, high tops, things like that. Okay, so I really hope you enjoy this little short little video on making over a spare storage room and turning it into something really quite tidy. I must say I'm really liking this lighting. It's doing me wonders. But I hope to see you again on my channel. Please subscribe if you want to see some more interior tips, designs, and organisation recipes and all the rest. This is one of my first earlier videos, so go easy. Give me a thumbs up, and any feedback would be terrific. Thanks for that. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bye.